Mastering the art of cooking. Ensure even cooking explained. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of cooking that often puzzles beginners and seasoned chefs alike. We're talking about the concept of ensuring even cooking. This might sound a bit technical, but worry not. We're going to break it down together, making sure that by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to achieve it in your everyday cooking. So, let's get started on this culinary journey and turn you into a master of even cooking. When we talk about ensuring even cooking, we're referring to a technique or series of actions aimed at making sure that every part of the food you're cooking receives equal heat and cooks at the same rate. This is crucial because it affects the texture, flavor, and overall quality of your dishes. Uneven cooking can lead to parts of your food being overcooked and dry, while others might remain undercooked or even raw. Clearly, that's not what we aim for when we step into the kitchen. Ensuring even cooking is important for several reasons. Food safety. Properly cooked food is safe to eat. Uneven cooking can lead to parts of the food not reaching the safe internal temperature, potentially harboring harmful bacteria. Taste and texture. Evenly cooked food has a consistent texture and taste throughout, making your culinary creations more enjoyable to eat. Professional presentation. Food that is evenly cooked looks more appealing when served, enhancing the overall dining experience. Here are some practical tips to help ensure your food cooks evenly. 1. Preheat your cooking surface. Whether it's an oven, skillet, or grill, preheating ensures that your food starts cooking at the right temperature from the moment it hits the surface. 2. Cut food into uniform sizes. Pieces that are roughly the same size and thickness will cook at the same rate. 3. Use the right cooking methods. Some cooking methods, like baking or roasting, naturally promote even cooking. For stovetop cooking, stirring or flipping food regularly can prevent hot spots from overcooking parts of your dish. 4. Monitor the heat. Adjust the heat as necessary to prevent burning or undercooking. This might mean lowering the heat for a slow simmer or increasing it to maintain a steady boil. 5. Invest in quality cookware. Good quality pots, pans, and baking sheets distribute heat more evenly, reducing the risk of hot spots. Overcrowding the pan. This can cause steam to build up, lowering the cooking temperature and leading to uneven cooking. Ignoring the importance of resting. Especially for meat, resting it after cooking allows the juices to redistribute, ensuring that every bite is moist and flavorful. Neglecting to rotate or stir. In ovens and on stovetops, certain areas may be hotter than others. Rotating pans or stirring food can counteract this issue. Ensuring even cooking might seem like a small detail, but it's one of the foundations of great culinary art. By understanding and applying the tips we've shared today, you're well on your way to preparing dishes that not only taste fantastic but are also safe and appealing to eat. Remember, cooking is a journey, and every step you take to improve your skills makes the adventure more rewarding. Happy cooking! And see you in the next video where we'll explore another exciting aspect of the culinary world.